Hence the unknowns stopped in Natural Bridge to visit the Glenwood Furnace, a forge used during the Civil War by the Confederate Army to create pig iron and weapons. While not thought of to be haunted, there are rumors, and this is what we found.
All I gotta do is just touch this device if someone's here with us.
Oh.
Hey, the puck just went off.
What the hell? Is someone here with us? There's someone here with us. Can you touch that device again?
Has anybody died here? Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Twice.
Double touch. Light touches, though. It's all light touches, though. My question is it a person that had died here, or is there an... Oh, what are you getting? Turn it towards me.
3. I'm getting a 3. But it did shoot up to a 4, like right here.
Something's here.
You?
Oh.
Take your flashlight off of it. Dang, okay. So we're actually getting some EMF signals in this place.
Yeah, there's no.
Where's it the
wires.
bars?
The bars.
The bars don't, I mean, they can carry a current, but there's nothing electrifying them. There's an animal over there somewhere. Something made noise over there, broke a stick and ran.
You said guess again.
That's what it sounded like. It said guess again.
The spirit box literally just said guess again.
That's why they were touching the puck mainly.
Maybe. Well, I'm thinking maybe they're kind of staying at a distance.
I hear movement back there as well.
Is that you touching that device? Can you tap it once for yes?
Oh, hard touch. There's a green touch over there.
Did you used to work here?
Sounds almost like some whistling.
Yeah, that's what I just heard.
I heard it twice.
I heard it again.
That thing's whistling.
Yeah. Could you tell us your name in this box right here? Just keep hearing whistling.
Yes, you are.
Oh, whistling?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wave this around a little bit. No, there was a hard touch on the puck there just now.
That's a medium.
Another one.
Yeah, red's a hard, orange is a medium.
Gotcha. There's a green touch there. Green touch.
Turns them off.
Well, I haven't seen any orbs.
Remember that weird... Yeah, you heard it?
Yeah. Starts biting people.
We got a hard touch on the puck.
And a light one.
Yeah, well,
What was it?
There's lots of whistling. Do you like to whistle? Are you signaling something? There's a green touch right there. I heard something in the woods just now.
Is it the devil? Yes.
That was a hard touch.
He keeps whistling. Are you calling for something? fuck is
There's
going
two
on?
green light touches.
I
To
don't know
get
what the-
back.
Is that like a yes right after you say get back? Do you hear that?
I don't know.
Do you want us to leave?
It turned green immediately.
Brother.
Is it for our own safety, or is it because you want us to leave for your own?
It's like mashing green now.
For our safety? Or because you want us to leave because of you? You say, who are you? Say, boy.
What is that? Why is he whistling?
He's whistling like every now and again, just like a. It's weird. It's almost like he's signaling something.
Taking still
Oh,
photos.
red touch right after I said he's signaling something. That's weird.
What are you signaling?
Green
Fuck her,
touch.
green.
Should we get out of here?
Is anything dangerous around here?
There was a green touch right there.
Life-threatening?
Are you trying to hurt us? Medium touch. Medium touch.
How about we promptly see ourselves home?
I think he's full of crap.
Yeah, it's
That's
like
why
it's
I want to
speaking,
get the
but
envoy. Like,
Something's making noise out there, though.
What is that?
I don't know. It said some words.
You ever shine my light on there?
I would definitely keep one of the lights on. Would it be safe to assume there might be something here?
There appears to be.
Definitely something here.
What it is, we don't know.
Whatever it is,
I'd
we can't
say
get
it
a
might
strong
be a
answer.
worker.
A what?
A worker.
A worker
Like
or
you said.
something devious.
We keep hearing whistling. It hasn't whistled in a while, but it has whistled.
Yeah,
Most
it whistled a
whistling-
lot.
Yeah.
It was, and it said it was. Well, the puck indicated it was
Says
trying
something,
to
he whistled.
say something or call something in.
If there's
That was
Dude,
that was a
so
hard
strong.
whistle.
Whether it was the forest that was haunted or the surrounding woods, there was something in this area.